Welcome. In front of me is a REALME C17, and today I will show you how you can put this device into recovery mode. To get started, we're going to hold our power button, and once we have the options visible, we're going to swipe down to power it off. Now when the device turns off, hold your power button and the volume down at the same time. And when the device shows you the logo, let go of the power button. After a moment, we should have language selection visible on the screen, at which point you can also let go of the volume down. From here, tap on your desired language, and there you go. That's your recovery mode. Now in here we have only a couple options. So we have install from storage, that will basically allow you to plug in something and install. Online updates, we have wipe data, which includes wipe data or format data. For some reason wipe data doesn't actually wipe data, it retains contacts, messages and photos, making it kind of redundant. And then we have a reboot and power off, which are just two methods of leaving recovery mode. So I'll select reboot and confirm it. Like I said, this will take me back to Android. And as you can see, we are now back in Android. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.